this is the fit today. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami gugora ni Mama. Pero samahan niyo ako. Tanan! Day. My music. Gagi, ang dami na.
Kailangan mo tayo.
Okay. Asan ang dadalhin doon? So, ayun guys, inutusan ako ni Mama dalhin yung fish doon sa shop. You see that? That's me. Opay nga adlaw ha iyong at sanahan. Hi, tay. Gwapo ni tatay. Isda. This is our shop, guys. Yeah. But guys, feed na. Here in Balatero, guys. Waiting for May. Okay, get in the car. Ano yun, mabago? Park. Ay, madana. Uy. It's hard. Okay. She is a good driver, guys. Kunin nyo na siya.
What?
5 million lang. In town. Walang parking lot, guys. It's the most difficult situation right now. Raining. Again. Dito kami sa Mr. DIY, guys. Shopping kami. Oh,
Mr. DIY offers a wide range of products for
bidet. Yes. Ayan, dito lang. This one. Uy. 3 pesos only. 43. Ito lang ang binibili natin. Ay, going upstairs. Not find. Guys, you know what? Wala dito yung hinahanap. Hinahanap. Baba na lang ako. Rich. Kasi nga wala dito yung hinahanap ko. Maano siya sa space. Oh.
Pretty little babe with a smile so sweet. When you look at me, my heart skips a beat. Your gentle eyes shining like the stars. Every moment with you feels like it's ours. Pretty little baby, don't you see? You're the only one that's meant for me. Hold me close, never let me go. In your arms I feel
Ganda ni
the
Mama.
love. You light up my days. With every word you speak, you set my heart ablaze. Your laughter.
I'm doing my stuff, guys. And suddenly dumating na si ate. So, I help her na lang mag-prepare and arrange the table and chairs. And I call my mother so that we can start to eat na. Kinuha ko na yung camera. Here, we saw a lovely cat look. Aww. So, guys, we ordered. What did you do?
Down! Go down! Down!
Takot yan. Kaon nami, guys. Wala, guys. Ang ganda yung ano dito. Ang ganda yung ambience. Walang walang masyadong nakain sa restaurant nila, pero sobrang ganda, guys. As in, we try one time. And then, ang bait ng stuff. Tao lang kami, guys. Wait lang.
Ito pala dito pa po may isda.
Ah,
So, pinalitan
ito
mo na
po.
lang.
Wala. Si mama ko. Anong sabi niyo? Guys, we're done eating and then later on we will go home. Mama, may ano pa ako. May lakad pa ako.
Wala, ito lang yung magkano. Yan yung magkano.
Okay, magpe-pay na. Pay. Really need to... Yeah. This is the... Sus, maguto.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Okay
Opo.
lang po yung pagkain.
Yes po.
Okay, or yung...
Okay po, loyalty card. Thank you po. We're going home. The car is ready and yeah. We have a great day today. And now we're going home. When?
From the drive.
Mag-driving lessons muna ako.
Sige.
Vlog ko din.
Ngayon, turuan kita ngayon.
May lakad nga ako ni Jam.
Dapat pala ngayon kita tuturuan. Kasi,
We're heading home and wow. I like that. Okay, we're here. Pagbuksan ng Reyna. So guys, we're here at the... Nandito lang sa bahay, pero alis pa ulit ako dito. I see something. Look at the flower. Wow! It's doubled. Look! Grabe, ang ganda. Hindi na ako nagkita ng ganyang gomamela. I am a hibiscus girly. Okay, let's open.
bag mo.
Bag mo, nasa akin. Guys, yun lang ang date namin today. Bye-bye!
Bawa ng bibig.
Yan yung mga pinamili namin ni Mother sa DIY. And then, nagkakabit na siya doon ng kanyang pang-sink. Kasi, ganyan yung gusto niya.
Perfect.
Wow, ang galing. Grabe.